Hello friends, welcome to today's budget video. So in today's video we're going to be doing May week 3. We're also going to be doing my bill pay thing because it is also paycheck 2 of this week, or this month. But before we get started, I just wanted to say I'm really sorry for the way I was talking in my last video. I felt like I was talking very quickly and just hurrying through everything. I was in a bit of a hurry and I didn't just take my time to explain everything, and it was kind of all over the place. So we're going to try to slow things down just a little bit today and get this all done and over with. So we're going to start off with the bill pay piece here. Zoom in. Whoa. I always go the wrong direction. Maybe not that far in. There we go. Okay, so of course, you know, we're still in the month of May, and I'm just going to go through the things that have already been paid for, which will pretty much finish off the month of May. So I did pay my rent. I have not paid Comcast or Xfinity or whatever you want to call it. I did do the car payment, so of course my car payment envelope is empty now because I went and I paid that already. And then my husband's motorcycle insurance came out. The only thing I have left to do is Comcast, which I will be doing here in the next couple days. So other than that, everything is completely 100% paid for this month. And now we can move on to our cash envelopes for May week number 3. And the first thing is groceries. I'm going to be putting only $100 in this week. I have a little extra money left over from last week, so I'm just going to kind of roll that over and just put 100 in for this week. And then eat out is going to get its usual 40. And then down here for my sinking funds, I'm only doing a few envelopes today because it's all I really need for this week. So savings is going to get its usual 140. Christmas is going to get its 25 that we started last week. Home, if you remember, that's a new envelope I started, and I put $100 in it last week just to get it started off. But for this week we're going to put 50. I don't know if that's going to be its usual, but for now that's what's going in it. And then car maintenance is going to get 20. I did actually change this last minute. This was supposed to go into my fun funds, but then I realized I didn't pull out any money for the car maintenance, and we have some things that are coming up that need to be done, so I figured this needed it more than the fun funds did. But yeah, so that is all of my envelopes for this week, and now we can just get on to stuffing these envelopes. Alright, we've got all of the money laid out and all of our cash envelopes. So let's get started with groceries. In here I have some money. So this is the extra money that I have from last week that I will not be rolling over. This money here is money that I had set aside for this week, but I did end up using some of it yesterday, so this money is going to be rolled over into this week. And so for right now I have $25, $26, $27, $28, $29, and we are going to be adding another $140 to this envelope here. So that gives me a total of 1, 40, 60. Oh, no. That's right. We're only doing 100 today. So that's 150. So we have 25, or 1, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. So $129 is going back into my grocery envelope. I'm so sorry, guys. My brain is just not working today. Okay, so there's that. And then this money will go into my savings envelope when we get to that envelope, and I'm just going to set it aside for now. So the next one is my eat out, and this actually has extra money in it also. It has $6, and that is going to go into my savings envelope also, so I'm going to again set that to the side over here. And then we're going to restart this week with $40, and that's going to go back into here for this week. And that envelope is filled. We'll do savings last, so we'll just set that over there. Christmas is going to get its 25. And right now it has a total of, according to this, it has 145. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 100, 2, 4, 5. So 145 plus another 20. Let's just count that all together. 2, 4, 6, 8, 100, 2, 4, 6, 65, 70. So 170 is going in here, and today is the 19th. Putting in 25 for a total of 170. Alright, that goes back into here. I'm sorry if you do not see anything of what I'm doing. I'm really trying to slow this down so I don't keep messing up and just chill. But yes, that one is done. And then my car maintenance is going to get 20. So again, I still haven't made a little card for it. As of right now, it has 50, so that's going to give me 80. No, 70. 2, 4, 65, 70. Yeah, $70 in car maintenance, which is nice. It's a good chunk of change for whatever may need to be done. And then my home envelope, like I said, I gave it the 100 to kind of start it off with. And it's going to get a 50. So I'm going to have a total of $150. Oh. My brain, guys, it's just not working today. I don't even know how to function. Alright. Home envelope is stuffed. And then last but not least is my savings envelope. And as of right now, it has, according to this, $560. I'm going to be putting in its usual 140 plus whatever we have here. Looks like $18. So with this, we have a total of 10, 15, 16, 17, and 18. So let's see. Altogether for this week, we have 100, 120, 140, 150, 155, 156, 157, 158. So we're going to be putting in a total of $158 in to go into the 560. Let's see, 519. See, I don't even remember what I did. 1, 2, 4, 5, 55, $158. And that's going to give me a total of, let me just count all of this together. Ugh, I really wish my brain would work. That would be lovely. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 4, 6, 8, 7, 7, 18. I have $718 to go into my savings envelope, which is pretty good considering I started this not too long ago. I mean, if you look at this piece of paper here, I started this thing here on $425 at only $280, so that's 2 weeks worth. And I'm already at $718, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks. So that's pretty good for this. I mean, it's pretty stuffed in there. I might have to get some smaller bills or something. But alright guys, that is all for today's video. I'm really sorry that it was like all over the place and that my brain just doesn't want to work. I know this video is probably going to be a little bit shorter than it usually is, but yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to go down and give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to go and hit that subscribe button and come join my YouTube family. I would really appreciate it, and I think we'll have a lot of fun here. Also, don't forget to go over and follow me on Instagram. I'll leave the thing here for you. And yeah, I really hope that you guys have a great and fabulous day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!